Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update, and this is going to be a very quick easy to understand update. So right now I do opened up the 4-hour time frame here, and you can already see that we are sort of like pushing an ascending triangle. So look at this here, right? So you've been coiled up in an ascending triangle, and you're going to get an answer of the break of this ascending triangle by today or tomorrow potentially, and you do have like 24 hours more to actually make a decision of where you want to go. So if Sunday is not really going to dump, the weekends is not really going to dump, by starting by Tuesday you might have a little bit of a push to the upside, come back here and you start to break it out, and then you go up here to 36.58, which can actually be a very quick trade if you do make an entry there, like a 7-8% day trade. But I highly doubt you're going to break that out, because one more thing to notice is that on the 4-hour same time frame, you're putting in a resistance here, resistance previously right there, resistance here, break it out, came back, hold it as support, came here, break it out again, find resistance here, find resistance there again, and the resistance here. And that's the reason why it's a very big level. $33.6 is going to be a very big level moving forward to break. If you manage to break that level, that's why I think that it's going to be a very clear indicator that the price is interested to move higher, and visit this place right over there. But you're going to have to wait. The apex again is coming by tomorrow, so there is like 24 hours to wait for you to wait, and you're gonna get coiled up a little bit, and who knows, you can pop to the downside again and go to $31 by default. That's gonna be the technical target. If you're not popping to the upside, which is gonna give you a $36.5 target, then you're coming down to 31 and potentially even lower, continuing lower. And that's it for this quick update on Solana. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.